Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. I'm Christy. This is going to be part 2 of my Black Friday shopping haul. In part 1 of my video, I shared all of the items that I purchased at Walmart, and in this video I'm going to share with you the items that I purchased at Kirkland's and the At Home store and also at Kohl's. So I really hope that you enjoy this Black Friday haul, and I'm really excited to share everything with you. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the items that I got from Kohl's. These first pair of boots I actually purchased as part of my original Black Friday items, and they are tall black boots. You can see the detail of them. And I got these boots for $13. They were on sale for Black Friday for $19.99, and Kohl's was offering an additional 15 or 20% off of some of the items that you purchased. I honestly can't remember how much it was. I don't have my receipt for that right in front of me, but this was one of the items that I got for Black Friday, which added to the Kohl's cash that I was able to accumulate after I purchased my Dyson vacuum, which I actually talked about the Dyson vacuum in part 1 of my video, so that was a mistake because I think I told you that all of part 1 of my video was items that I only bought from Walmart, but I did actually get the Dyson vacuum from Kohl's, and it helped me accumulate some Kohl's cash. Also from Kohl's, they had their big one towels and washcloths on sale. Washcloths were $1.99 and hand towels were $2.98, I believe. Let me check. No, they were $2.49. And in addition to being on sale, I also got that additional either 15 or 20%. So I got 6 washcloths for a total of $11.94 plus the additional percent off, and 2 hand towels, and they were $4.98 plus the additional percentage off. And I got all of those to go in my guest bathroom that I am currently remodeling, which I will share part of that with you at some point. But the colors in that bathroom are going to be white, turquoise, and gray, so those are going to be a really good addition for that bathroom. And when I got my Kohl's cash, I went back and spent it on Saturday, and with it I got these pair of boots, so technically they were for free. Sorry, well, I guess they're boots. They have an open toe booties. They are super, super cute, and I was going to share with you how much I was able to save by getting these items for free. So many receipts. I'm so sorry about that. Where's my Kohl's receipt? Okay, so these shoes were $59.99. They were still on sale for the Black Friday weekend, so they came down to $34.99, and I got them for free. So I thought that was a really good deal. And also from Kohl's, I purchased this clock to go in my bedroom, and the price of this, regular price was $69.99, and it was on sale for $34.99, and then I believe I got an additional 15% off of this as well. Also from Kohl's, I got 2 of their big one throws. These are regular price $39.99. They were on sale for $8.99, and I got them for $6.94 a piece with the additional percentage off. I got that one, and I also got the buffalo check one, which is going to be a great addition for both my fall decor and my Christmas decor. And also from Kohl's, I got this throw pillow that says Live Simply, and it's going to go on my bed upstairs in the master. And I believe that was everything that I got from Kohl's. Part of the Kohl's cash that I had to spend that I went back and used, I got, in addition to the boots, I got a bunch of shirts. This is a button down, black and white plaid. And I got this shirt. And this one. This. And then these two are kind of similar. They're just a little bit different colors. And then the front, they look a little bit different. One ties and one just has a fold. If you saw my Goodwill clothing haul, I don't have very many just regular long sleeve comfortable shirts to wear around my house or on the weekends. Most of my clothes are work clothes because we have to dress up business casual for work. So I did buy a ton of shirts, but it's so that I can have some more shirts to wear around the house on the weekend, or to go out with, whatever. And I just noticed that I forgot to mention that I also got a bunch of items from Bath & Body Works, so I will go over those items in just a minute. Kirkland's, they were giving away a free gift with your purchase, which it is a votive with a candle ring around it. And I just need to get a candle to put in that. I thought that was a super cute free gift, and I'm excited to put it out with all my other Christmas decor. And I also got this sign. It was regular price $14.99, and Kirkland's had the entire store 20% off, and I also had a 25% off coupon for my birthday. So I ended up saving 45% on all of my purchase at Kirkland's, which was really, really good. This says, collect moments, not things. I thought it was adorable. And then I got a set of 3 candlesticks. I have looked for these, and they are normally like anywhere from $14 to $19 a piece. So I was really excited to see this box of 3 for only $20, and then I saved 45% off of this. And I'm going to add these to my mantle once I get some candles. Also from Kirkland's, I need to take all of the bubble wrap and everything off of it, but it's the 2-sided scale. I've seen a lot of people adding this to their farmhouse decor and putting greenery on both sides of it, and I think it is adorable. I've tried to find some, and the cheapest that I've been able to find them was like $85 to $90. This was regular price $40, and they had it marked down to $30 for Black Friday, and then I saved the additional 45%, so I thought that was a really good deal. I also got at Kirkland's 2 of these little Christmas trees that I'm going to put on both sides of my fireplace in my Christmas decor. They were $16.99 regular price. They were not marked down for Black Friday, but I did save 45% on each one of them. So that was all of the items that I got at Kirkland's. When I went to the at-home store, they had six piece bath towel sets. They were regular price $14.99, and they actually had them for 50% off. So you get 2 towels, 2 washcloths, and 2 hand towels. And these are going to be paired with the gray that's going to go in my guest bathroom that I mentioned I was remodeling. And they also match the rugs that I got for that bathroom as well. So I was really excited to find these on such a good price. They also had 4-piece sheets for regular price $16.99. They had them marked down to $10. I needed a spare sheet set for my daughter's bed, so I got the full size in gray to match her comforter. They also had at the at-home store two-piece rug sets. One is 24 by 39 and the other is 18 by 30. This one is gray and like a cream color. I don't know if you can see that design. I'll zoom in on it in a minute. These were regular price $19.99 and they had them on sale for $9.99. And they already have the non-slip backing on them, and I'm going to put these in my kitchen. And that was all that I purchased at the at-home store. I went into Sunglass Hut and I got a pair of sunglasses that I have had my eye on for a very, very long time. They were priced pretty high, but I've never been able to find these sunglasses on sale. Usually the name brands like Costa and Ray-Ban and Oakley, as far as I know, they don't normally go on sale. Maybe they do, I just haven't been able to find it. But Sunglass Hut had all of their name brand sunglasses 20% off. So these were regular price $253 and I got them for $200. And I'm still kind of deciding if I'm going to keep them or take them back, because I wasn't really planning on spending that much money on a pair of sunglasses, but I've wanted them for a very, very long time. So I've just got to decide what I'm going to do with these. So the last place that I went was Bath & Body Works, and they had the entire store buy 3, get 3 free. I purchased a total of 6 items and came home with 12 items, and some of the items I gave to my mom. One of the things that I got was Magic in the Air shower gel and body lotion in this cute little Christmas pack. This is going to be for my Christmas exchange, gift exchange at work. And I have been wanting to get a bunch of new sugar scrubs, so that's what most of my items were. I got Magic in the Air, Winter Candy Apple, which smells so good. I got one that's at the beach, and one for Hello Beautiful. I also got this mineral body polish, which is, it's almost like a sugar scrub. It just comes in this big tub. I think it's a lot bigger. These are 6.2 ounces and this is 12 ounces, so it's double. And this smelled and felt amazing. I highly recommend it. It's, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Something acid. I don't know. It's spelled Hyaluronic. So if you're in Bath & Body Works, definitely check this out. Like I said, it smells great. It feels great. I got it in the small body cream so that I can put this in my purse. And my mom actually got the large body cream and the small one for her purse as well. And then I got 1,000 Wishes body cream, and to go with it my mom got the sugar scrub because she already actually had this lotion, and then Magic in the Air body cream. So I think that sums up everything that I got for Black Friday. I will do a separate video to show everything that I purchased with Cyber Monday. I actually just thought about one more thing. I did purchase a full-size mirror to go in my bathroom, and I got it from Kirkland's, and I want to say that it was regular price $54.99, and they had all of their mirrors on sale 30% off. So it ended up being around 40 something with tax and everything, and I haven't picked that up yet. I shipped it to the store so that I could get free shipping. So I will share a picture of that on my Instagram whenever I go and pick that up. And then I will share all of the Cyber Monday items with you in a separate video. So thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe.